over the edge. Feel like I'm floating through.
Hi guys, welcome back to my other video. So today in this video, I'm going to show you like how you can install alloy wheels in any bike which having spokes wheel, or install a bigger rear tire in your bike. So let's just continue with our video. Today in this video, I'll just show how you can change this back tire. As you can see, this bike contains a spokes wheel, but right now I've removed that and installed pulsar 180's wheel in this. It's an alloy wheel. The process is same for RX also. This bike, it's called the kb100. It's a vintage bike. It is same as RX 100 and Suzuki Samurai or Shogun. So the process is same for RX also. I'll just show how the process is gonna start right now. Yeah, I'm gonna replace this tire in this bike along with its wheel. This is a fork wheel, as you can see, the old type. Now I'll just show how to install alloy wheel in this. You can use any alloy wheel, but I prefer to use Pulsar's alloy wheel in this. I'll just show you this wheel once.
Yeah. The pain I felt is paid for. All is said and done. Oh, I am.
This is the rear tire of Pulsar 180. You can use any other tire also. You will need the whole kit. As you can see, this is the alloy wheel along with its tire. This is the brake drum, and here you need the chain sprocket along with its hub rubber axle, and this is the piston. Now I'll just show you how to install this. see guys, we have finished installing pulsar 180's wheel in kb100. The process is same for rx100 or rx135 or even for Shogun also. First you'll have to remove this axle. After removing the axle, the spokes wheel will come out. Then this chain sprocket and everything you have to remove it out. Then use this pulsar 180 or 150's alloy wheel. First you'll have to fix this chain sprocket inside using that hub and half axle. Then just insert this alloy wheel. Use the same brake drum of pulsar and insert the axle, tight it. And one more thing what you have to do is you'll just have to bend this brake rod. So the process is same, but when you finish installing this tire along with its alloy in the bike, the things what you have to change is this brake rod, as you can see here at the bottom. This one you'll just have to bend it a little bit towards your right, that is this side, and just tight it using the brake lever over here. And this brake rod which will hold the hub in its place, this thing will be inside. You'll just have to use a rod and hammer it from that end like this so that this comes this side. A slight bend will do it, and that's the process to install alloy wheels in RX or kb100. Now I'll just show you the overall look. As you can see guys right now how better look it gives to the bike when you use an alloy wheel in place of spokes rim.
That keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated.
If you like this video, do hit a like and subscribe to my channel guys. Stay tuned for another videos. Thank you for watching this video.